Hello, in this episode, I'm going to be programming a WSER50 OD. This is the Alpha Obstacle Detection Motor. I'm going to be utilizing a Pioneer remote and the push button on the backside. So to begin with, I'm going to have my assistant Nicole go ahead and apply power. You go ahead and do that now. You'll notice when power's up, motor jogs. Then I'm going to take this remote, and on the backside, I'm going to press this button once. Motor jog the second time, we're now paired. But you'll notice that the direction is reversed. Down should mean down, but in this case it's going up. So what I'm going to do is press this button 6 times, then the arrow pointing down once, look for the motor to jog, then that should correct my buttons. So I'm going to start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down arrow, motor jog. Now let me check for direction. Perfect. Up means up, down means down. So since I'm closer to the top, I'm going to go ahead and set my top limit. I've stopped it there. To do that, I'm going to press the button on the back twice. 1, 2. Then the arrow pointing up once. Motor jogs. My top limit is now set. Now I'm going to go ahead and operate it all the way down. Stop it where I want it. We're just about there. Again, Alpha Obstacle Detection Motor. Stop it right there. Now to set the lower limit, simply press the button on the back twice. 2. Down button once. Motor's jogged. Now my limits have been set. I can go ahead and check it. Perfect. Now by default, the obstacle detection is off. So that needs to be turned on, and we do that by pressing this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then up. Motor jogs. Now that feature is going to be on. Now I'm going to have my assistant Nicole go ahead and put an object in front, blocking the bottom bar. And then this case it's going to be a trash can. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and run that down. Now you're going to see motor's going to check it 3 times, and then on that third check it's going to run up. There's 1. Now if it's solid object, it'll run up and stop 1 foot, but if it's due to windy condition, it would never stop in the same place, and in that case it's going to run all the way up. And there we go. So in a solid object, obstacle detection, it'll check it 3 times, and then that third strike, it runs up and stops 1 foot. And to simply unlock it, go ahead and run it up, stop it, and it resumes normal operation. Nicole, if you'll go ahead and remove that trash can. And actually, let me move this over because the can was behind the remote there. And there we go. Basic obstacle detection motor setup. Thank you very much.